Hi guys, it's Future Labs, my name is Fro, and we are continuing our series of videos about the interesting things, websites and tools that will help us, makes our life much more easier, and of course will give us some profits and huge gains, what we all are looking for. But before this video starts, I would like to ask you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me a lot now in the future, and if you subscribe, you're sure that you won't miss any cool interesting projects. Let's go, guys. So today we're going to talk about the crypto, maybe NFT, DeFi, anything in crypto calendars, and first of them is CoinMarketCap. This is like one of the best thing in the market, because I think besides of the macro picture that we all have, like what the country is talking about the crypto, what are going on in the world right now, what for example Musk are talking, we have kind of local things and kind of local news, of course. And I think all of us knew that the news are affect the price. And on this website we can see any news for any upcoming blockchains, coins and stuff. Check them out, what blockchain is this, and try to get yourself a profit on that. So for example, you're looking for this and you see an integration, and you go in there and you see that there is an integration of some cool thing, or it's for example collaboration, this Crisis exchange with doesn't really anyone know, but they got collaboration for example with the Binance on 24th of June, and I think that this will affect price pretty heavily, and they will jump really a lot. So for example, you just go in there, you're buying some of their coins, and you get yourself a really good gains. Or for example, another really good case how you can use this news, you just go in here, you just see an AMA, you don't need to go into any AMA, but you go into some AMA of the big projects, of interest projects, and you just listen what the developers are talking about. If they saying that, like for example, tomorrow we'll make a really huge update, it will be this, and you just like hearing all of that and see, oh my god, this is brilliant, you just go and buy yourself their tokens or their NFTs. This AMA, this is kind of inside thing, because this is information that doesn't anybody really knows, and you are listening to it like right now. So only developers and team are knowing about it, and now they're telling everything about it for you. And there will be some space, some gap between everyone will know. So it will be in Twitter and their Discord, some short interview from all of the AMA will be posted there. You have some gap while you can buy something or short something, or to analyze does this news will affect price or not. So yeah, this is all about the local picture, and I think this is just an awesome thing which we all need to look for. And even they cannot affect the locally, some coins, some markets, they can affect the whole market if it's a really huge event or something like that. So we got some filters in here. We can check our top 100 coins, top 300 coins, top 500 coins. We can see it in here. We can just put somewhere, for example, like Solana, Cardano, Ethereum, any coin that you want to have any news upcoming for it. We can check it by exchanges, of course, what is going to be listed, are they have any collaborations, potentially there are some burning events which are usually pump the price pretty much heavily. Then we can go into the categories. Yeah, if you're looking for airdrops, you can click on airdrop, branding, exchange, staking, farming. I think roadmap update is one of the best things in here. And of course you can sort it by date, last added, hot, significant trading, like whatever, so use it as you want. And we got the next website called the CoinRaider. This is a pretty much same functionality, but I think it's a little bit lower features in there, and a little bit lower events are happening in here. Not happening like they are on this website. But another thing that I really love about this website is that we have kind of likes in here, and we can see if we have a really lot of like on this event. Probably it's something fundamental, it's something interesting, it's something that will affect some coin or potentially a market. So I don't think you need to use it as your main calendar website, but you can try it as like a second with plus this CoinMarketCap, and you just won't miss any interesting news and events. So guys, right now I think we all need to find something interesting, something we can make a lot of money on. And I think this is one of the really interesting and new ways, and pretty much simple, I think, because it's just like buy, sell, or just going short. All need to do is to find, analyze, is to make a decision. That's we all do. Hope you like this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me a lot now in the future. And if you subscribe, just sure that you won't miss any cool upcoming projects. See you guys later.